Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. First up, we see someone going from semi-long hair to this gorgeous pixie haircut. The stylist is creating a beautiful amount of texture throughout this pixie. So the stylist left some longer bangs in the front portion of the hair, really created a nice shape throughout. Gorgeous, classic, choppy style pixie cut. So then we move into another big chop transformation. She starts off with long ginger colored hair. It looks like she's going to be going quite short, and you can tell by the way the stylist is handling the hair that she's going to be donating it. So all of that beautiful hair will be donated. And you can already tell that the hair has been cut quite short. So moving right along, we see someone who has heat damaged hair, and she has decided to cut off the straight ends and big chop her hair into its natural curls. So the stylist is cutting the hair right at that demarcation line. And for those of you who don't know, if you have natural curly hair or textured hair, when it has been straightened to the point where it is straight, that's typically called heat damage. And if you want to revert your hair into its curly state, you have to grow your hair out, and that straight hair needs to be cut if you want to wear your natural curls. So that's what is going on with this particular haircut. So the stylist is just kind of defining the curls in the sink bowl. You can see her natural texture coming through beautifully. So there's the before, and there is the after. Gorgeous curly haircuts. So if you want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video.